This is Aaron Lee, and this is my ECEN 160 final. In this final, we were tasked to make a microprocessor and follow some instructions and what to do. So as you can see here, it's fully finished. Inside there's a PROM and a decoder, both ROMs. There's a MUX, a register file, and an ALU. And let's take a look at some of those more in depth. First, we'll take a look at the register file. In here, there are two 4-bit registers, and those 4-bit registers are made up of 4 1-bit registers, which are just a flip-flop and a MUX. The other component was the ALU. In here, there's a few MUXes, a 4-bit register, and then there are 4 other components. They're all 1-bit. There's a add and subtract, an OR, an AND, and a exclusive OR. And let's take a look at those. Here's my exclusive OR, my AND, my OR, my 1-bit add, and then a 4-bit add and subtract. Here is how I'll be able to do the subtract through the hardware. And so going back to main, those are all the components that made up this microprocessor. And so from here, we will demonstrate it by holding down Command K, and it'll run through and it will say, "Hello, Brother Smith." And I'll do some addition, some multiplication, and then 2 forms of subtraction. And that concludes the demonstration and explanation of my final. Thank you so much.